All right, well, welcome to this course. This is going to be the first of probably a whole year's worth of content going to be pushed out. So this is the Data Science Financial Project. So aiming to accomplish a systematic approach into improving our trading strategy. A little bit of background just to get this out of the way. Who am I? My name is Nick. I have college educated background within finance, mathematics. Later in life went on to going into cybersecurity, computer engineering. My primary course of work now is within the data science realm as my 9-to-5 job. And the reason I picked to do this and put out information on this is given the plethora of stuff on it. So there's a lot of material, a lot of people giving opinion. I can get on any Google search and just check for predicting the stock market. And I'm just going to see a host of LSTM. So you're going to see CNN, RNN, ANN, ARIMA, SARIMA, etc. with very little efficacy built into the model, accuracy overall. So it might work for one particular instance, but the minute it's applied to another, it falls apart. So the aim here is to look at this from a holistic point of view, build an actual strategy, and then have it automated and implemented. So this is going to be kind of the course objective overview. So the systematic approach for financial modeling, forecasting, essentially a better trading strategy. The structure layout, I plan to put this all within Python, language of choice just due to the ecosystem and integration with other languages. It's really easy to build full stack applications and it's kind of plug and play. So we're going to start with a lot of EDA or exploratory data analysis, look at some time series, and then a lot of the fundamental analysis. So stock valuations, we're going to look at economic indicators, bring all of it in, and then build some machine learning models in which we will test and validate, and then further explore into the natural language processing. This one I feel is going to be one of the harder ones, given how much weight is applied to what given area. For example, Elon Musk putting out on Twitter that he's going to take Tesla private. How did that impact the stock? By how much? And was that foreseeable? Probably not. It's going to be a little bit difficult. So trying to scrape all that data. Another good example would be COVID. COVID hit here around March. We can say the shutdown. When did the market start falling, etc. But in China, when did it first start showing up that people were talking about it? Could we have predicted that? Could we have called that? What did it impact the most early on, etc. So the format for this is I'm going to aim to push weekly videos. There's an asterisk there because work, life, stuff happens. But the caveat is I will push everything out to GitHub as I'm working through this, just to get the community involved, see if anybody has any good ideas in addition to what we're going to be doing. I'll also upload course material, reading material, a lot of the books that I'm currently reading or implementing and looking at that might help to facilitate further conversation. So with that being said, I'll move on to the next video and we'll set up just a Conda environment to get started. All right.